Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV14 isn't picking up properly, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises from a blockage or a fault in the internal components. If left unattended, it can lead to further damage and a decline in performance, so it's best to address it promptly. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a pair of tweezers, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement body for the Dyson SV14. Begin by ensuring your vacuum cleaner is unplugged for safety. Carefully use your flathead screwdriver to pry open the casing of the vacuum. Be gentle to avoid damaging any clips. Once open, locate the suction motor, which is usually positioned centrally. This component is often the culprit for poor suction. Now, gently disconnect any wires attached to the motor using your tweezers, taking care not to pull on the wires themselves. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After disconnecting the wires, unscrew the motor from its housing using the appropriate screwdriver. Take note of the screws, they can be quite small, so keep them safe. Once the motor is removed, take your replacement body and fit it in place, ensuring that it aligns correctly with the existing mounts. Secure it in place by tightening the screws, do not over-tighten, as this may strip the threading. Reconnect the wires to the new motor, ensuring they are secure but not overly tight. Before closing the casing, double-check that everything is connected correctly and that there are no stray wires. Now, carefully align the casing and press it back into place until you hear the clip snap shut. Finally, plug the Dyson back in and test it to ensure it's working properly. If you encounter any issues during this process or if anything seems amiss, do not hesitate to reach out for professional help. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose and brush bar. Keeping your Dyson SV14 well maintained will ensure optimal performance and longevity. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.